So hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well doing. So today I will describe about my plants, all plants where I am living. So first of all, I will tell you why we'll grow all the plants because of you know very well I am living in a village background. So in a village background, not only I grew, all the peoples grow plants here. So first of all, I will describe this one. So this is a belgri. You know very well belgri like when we offer Lord Shiva, so then we offer this fruit to Lord Shiva. So this is plant for a fruits and shadow is also good. So this is plant a belgri. And second one, if I tell you, so it is a good health. So it is not for shadow, it is for a flower. So flower is very nice, reddish color flower, and flower is very nice. So this one is a also like flower, and it's become a tree after some years. So these all are flowers tree, not a small tree, it is a big tree. After some year it's become a big tree. Second one, this, so exactly I don't know what is name, but it is also a flower tree. And third one is this. So this is also a same flower tree. Name actually I don't know what is the name. And this one is for a decoration purpose. Decoration purpose means when we want to make our home very nice, so then we use this. It is not for shadow purpose, not flower or not for fruits, it is only for a decoration purpose. So then we grow. And in the city maybe you also saw these kind of trees front of all the front of door. So it is only for a decoration purpose, this one and this one. And next, this is also like belgri tree, okay. And next I will show you, this is, so this is a falsa tree. So you can see here, this is a falsa tree. Falsa is the same like a grapes, but small and small fruit. Exactly I don't know, but I ate also, but I cannot describe. Now you can see here. So this is also a decoration for a decoration plant. It is not a tree, but it is a plant. And next you can see here, it is a bacane. We can say bacane, or some persons say deck. It is only for a shadow purpose, not a wood or not a fruits. This is a very useful tree for a shadow, like in a summer seasons, like when we sit under this tree, then a single rays cannot cross. So it is very useful for and it's grow a very fast. The speed of grow very fast. After 2 years it's take a proper shape. So it is only for shadow purpose, and it's become like a umbrella type. I will show you big also. So friends, now you can see here, so it is a guava tree or guava plant, and guava is also, you can see this one is guava plant. Here is also fruit is, now you can see guava. So this is a guava plant, and we will get first time guava from this plant. And second one, this guava plant, we have already took guava from last year. The color is red, and this one you can see, and this one is a like a datura plant. Datura is a for when we offer Lord Shiva. So we offer three things, like first is bang, second is datura, and third is bel pattar. So it is a hybrid datura. And this is a also guava tree, guava. And this is a deck. I also described deck, or you can say bacane. So now I will show you here. So you can see, like this is a bacane. It's take a proper shape after 3 year or 4 year. It's take a proper shape. It is a bacane. So it is very useful for shadow, uh, we don't grow for a fruit purpose or wood purpose. We grow only and only for a shadow purpose. And second, you can say here is a jamun. So it is a plant of the jamun. So jamun. So jamun maybe you know very well. Jamun, or in English blackberry. Blackberry is different, but when we search on Google, so then Google show like it is a blackberry, but it is jamun. You know very well. And it is a second buccan. It's also take a proper shape. It is a 5 to 6 year old. So it is also buccan plant. And mulberry plant is a behind of this buccan. I will show you just a second. So you can see from here. So these are a mulberry plant. There are two type of mulberry. First is we grow mulberry plant for wood. So you can see this is a mulberry plant for a wood. If you want to get a wood, then it is a very useful. And second is like these wood is very useful to make party's box, or we can create anything because it is a very flexible. And I will show you. So these woods like a tahni type, you can say. Here is small tahnis. So it is very useful. Next one I will show you here. These all plants are in my home. And this is also a jamun tree. Here it is a very small, 1 year old. And this one is a belpatra plant. It is also 1 year old, but it's not grow very fast. The main reason is because of it is a under of this tree name. Trees need a proper sunlight. If they not get any sunlight, so they not grow very fast. So every plant need a sunrise. And this one, I don't know what is a plant name, but this one also a plant. And friends, you can see this is a avla tree. I grew this tree in 2024, and exactly date I don't know, but in October or November month. Why I grew this tree? Because of when I started learning English language. So then I take a place like until he will grow this plant, so I will never stop my English journey. So it is a memorable tree, so that's why I grew. So friends, now you can see this plant. This plant is a drumstick plant. It is a very useful for OSD purpose, for a remedies. If we have any pain in our knees, like in whole body, so it's is very useful plant. In this plant, I can say like fruit and flowers and wood and gond, and everything is useful for a remedies purpose and OSD purpose. So this plant is very useful. This plant name is drumstick. And second, you can see here it is also a mulberry plant, but it is for a fruit purpose. There are two type of mulberry I already described. First for a fruit and second for a wood. And now you can see here is a diggy. So friends, now I am going to in my farm to show some plants, because those plants are in my home, and now I will show you some plants in my farm. Exactly, some plants we unrooted in our farms because of some our personal reason. Other I will show you. And secondly, now you can see here is a cotton crops. You can see like narme ki kheti. So friends, now you can see this is a mango tree, and we will get every year lots of mango from those trees. Those because of there are two trees here, and it's grow by my uncle, and it is a very old tree and very big. I will show you second one. Second one is a small. Actually, we grew on a same time, but I don't know why. One is small and second one is a big. So like these plants are in my farm. So friends, now we will go our home and we will meet tomorrow. So bye bye, take care.